What if a simple shift in your diet could drastically change your blood sugar levels, month by month? Imagine cutting out carbs for an entire month. What would happen to your body as each week passes? Would your diabetes improve? Or would unexpected challenges arise as the month progresses? Let's explore the surprising month-by-month effects of adopting a low-carb diet on diabetes and uncover how this dietary shift impacts your blood sugar levels over time. Week 1. Quick water loss and initial adjustments. As a diabetic transitions to a low-carb diet, the body starts using stored glycogen for energy. Since glycogen is bound to water, breaking it down releases water, leading to rapid initial weight loss. This effect is often more significant for diabetics due to higher glycogen stores. Alongside weight loss, blood sugar levels stabilize, reducing insulin spikes and crashes that typically trigger hunger. The high protein and fat intake helps maintain satiety, making portion control easier. However, as the body adapts to using fat for fuel, ketosis, many experience temporary symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability, commonly known as keto flu. These symptoms usually subside after a few days as electrolyte levels balance out. Week 2. Transition to fat burning and ketosis. As the body enters ketosis, it starts converting fat into ketones for energy. For type 2 diabetics, this metabolic shift can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to manage blood sugar. By reducing carbs, blood sugar fluctuations become less frequent, leading to more consistent glycemic control. Additionally, ketosis helps suppress appetite, allowing diabetics to follow a controlled eating pattern without frequent cravings. The higher fat intake supports this by making individuals feel fuller for longer, helping them avoid overindulgence in carb-rich foods. Week 3. Metabolic adjustments and continued fat loss. The metabolic changes from a low-carb diet continue, supporting further fat loss. Stable blood sugar levels prevent sharp glucose spikes after meals, reducing insulin surges and promoting fat burning rather than fat storage. For diabetics with insulin resistance, this is particularly beneficial for improving long-term glycemic control. In ketosis, the brain switches to using ketones as a primary energy source, leading to improved mental clarity and focus. Many people report feeling more alert and less prone to brain fog during this phase, as the brain receives a steady energy supply without the fluctuations associated with glucose. Week 4. Stabilized energy and long-term health benefits. After a month on a low-carb diet, diabetics often experience more stabilized energy levels and improved insulin sensitivity. As the body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy, it requires less insulin to regulate blood sugar, lowering the risk of complications like neuropathy, kidney disease, and cardiovascular issues. For type 2 diabetics, this improved insulin function may reduce the need for medications, as stable blood sugar can lessen the reliance on insulin or oral drugs under medical supervision. However, some may experience digestive issues, such as constipation, due to reduced fiber from high-carb foods. Including low-carb, fiber-rich vegetables like leafy greens can help maintain gut health and avoid these problems. To counteract these effects, many people increase their intake of electrolytes and fluids during the early stages of a low-carb diet. Over time, the body adapts and energy levels stabilize as it becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel. After a month of eating only low-carb foods, a diabetic could see significant improvements in blood sugar control, weight loss, and overall health. However, this journey isn't without challenges. Energy dips, cravings, and nutrient imbalances may occur. It's crucial to consult your doctor to ensure this approach is safe and sustainable for you. You should also watch this video on our What Happened series. And please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.